Hi, Michael Giralli here with Healthcare Genius. And today we want to do a quick video on one of the provisions of Secure 2.0, which was passed at the end of December by Congress. It was a much broader act as far as making changes to retirement plans, but we're going to focus on one specific provision that we think will help employers. We did a video uh, earlier on Colorado and the state IRA plan, secure savings plan that is now mandatory in Colorado for small businesses. But we thought we would do a quick video here. So, setting up your own retirement plan. So, if you don't currently have a qualified plan, now may be the time to set one up. And that is because of the provisions in Secure 2.0. Uh, the tax credits that are provided, Secure 1.0 uh, had tax credits that was passed in 2019, but now this increases what those tax credits are, and we think it'll be very helpful to small businesses, 2 to 100 employees, 2 to 50 specifically. So, what is it? Well, the tax credits are $250 per non highly compensated employee. And you can use those credits to offset your cost for setting up a retirement plan and also for administering the plan. So, as an example, if you had 20 employees times 250, that would give you $5,000 of tax credits to set up and administer a plan. Now, if you don't spend the full 5,000, let's say you're able to do it for 4,000, then you'll only get tax credits for what you spend, the 4,000. Also, the tax credits, you cannot do those and take a deduction for the expenses. It would be one or the other. Um, these tax credits are good for 3 years, so it provides you a 3-year period to pay for those administrative costs, which again is a great benefit. And these tax credits do reduce once you get over 50 employees. So that sweet spot for maxing out that contribution is certainly going to be in that 15 to 50 range, most likely. Another thing is that there are tax credits for providing a match or a non-elective contribution to your employees. Those can be up to $1,000, and that is for 2 years. So again, remember though, this is for only employers that do not currently have a plan and have not had a plan in the last 3 years. So if that's the case, then this can be a great benefit for you and encourage you to set up a plan. So now, what's the benefit to the employer and the employee? Well, first of all, when you look at some of these IRA programs that are out there, and again, other states are doing it, they're only maxing out at $6,500 or $7,500. So, again, if you looked at this Colorado program as an example, that would be the maximum you could set aside. I think that's the same in California as well. But with a 401k or a 403b plan, an employee can actually set aside up to 22,500, and if they're 50 and over, they can do another 7,500 for a total of 30,000. So that's a much bigger and broader contribution than what you can do with some of the state programs. Or again, if you don't have a plan at all, you can choose between Roth contributions, which are post tax, or you can do traditional pre tax contributions. Again, for key employees and business owners who maybe can't set up a Roth account on their own, having a 401k plan or a 403b where you can have a Roth account can really be beneficial. And then, of course, a traditional retirement plan is going to have many more investment choices than you would see on some of these state plan IRA plans. And finally, flexibility as far as design goes. Using profit sharing designs, you can actually, as a business owner or a key person, you can actually get a much higher contribution, even above that 22.5 or 30,000, if you design the program right. So this is really a great time to be looking at a qualified plan if you don't have one currently, because essentially the government's going to be footing the bill for a good portion of the costs. So hopefully you find this helpful. Down at the bottom, we'll have some links to the actual Secure Act and some more information that you can look at. We always encourage you to subscribe to our channel. We try to discuss all sorts of things around retirement and healthcare. Again, Michael Girali with Healthcare Genius. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.